All right, it's 7 a.m. Just got off the plane. They happen to have a Lids here. All right, let's go. Am I really buying stuff like this early in the morning? Like, look, they got stuff on sale. 76ers shorts, 40 bucks, 30 off on top. So is that $28? Got a couple of sizes. Denver Nuggets shorts right here go for 80. That's a double XL. Got Hardaway. Penny Hardaway's going for 100. Pippen, this shows 130. I bet it's on sale. And look at this. Look at this. Ohio State, which is the state right next door from Pittsburgh. $15. 30% off on top. So yeah, that's what, $10.50. I'm gonna have to grab that for somebody. Petrovic going for 100 bucks. We've seen these for hella cheap. Steve Smith going for 85. Get a discount of 30 on top. Larry Johnson going for 85, and then another Pippen jersey. It's a medium. $1.35 for that one. All right, earliest cop ever, dude. What, 7 a.m. Grabbing this. This does have this right here, but I think you can take this right off. Yeah, just from one of the stickers. Dang, $10. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Pittsburgh again. I'm here just for the day, so I should be able to get 3-4 videos starting with Burlington. First thing in the morning, I think they open at 9 a.m. Let's go. Dang, they're right on it. 9 a.m. Dang, okay, let's go. All right, look through the small, medium, large. Really nothing. Do got some Nike t-shirts right here. Steelers Nike t-shirts. $13. That's pretty clean. Nike West Virginia long sleeve. Normally $80 down to $13. That's actually really nice. Nike T West Virginia, 10 bucks. All right, did check the short section. Didn't really see nothing. Did find this shirt for my kiddo. Is that an R34? I think that's an R34. It's been really in the car, so I'll grab this. 8 bucks, pretty cheap. Look at this right here. We got all kinds of off-court slides. Every freaking team you can imagine. Got Cleveland Browns right here, size 9. Seahawks. We got West Virginia, size 9 right there. I think these are all going for 15, right? Yeah, I got more of these. What are the Colts right here, various sizes. Should I get that for my boy right there? There's a Cleveland size 8. There's a Colt size 10. Niners, I did get my size. Well, I got a size 10. Maybe I should see if they have a size 11. Brown size 12. Seahawks size 12. Oregon Ducks. I've never seen so many teams represented. Bengals. Got the Lions right here. All going for 15 bucks. I need a size 10 of the Browns. That's what I need. And I just have a bunch of size 9s. 11s, 12s. AC, size 9, size 10, size 10. I already got those for one of my boys, or a couple of my boys. Niner, size 10, which I already got. The Jets right here, various sizes. Yeah, that's amazing. Wow, I've never seen so many different teams represented. That's fire. Got more size 13s. Then got Bengals. Moving on to the regular sneakers. I'm going to stop showing you guys these. These are forever present, omnipresent here at Burlington's. 40 for those. Trae Young 2s, Grant Hill 2s as well for 35. Pegasus, the Steelers Pegasus right here going for 40 bucks. West Virginia, I mentioned this last time I came here. There are a ton of West Virginia merch everywhere. $40 for those Pegasus right there. Starting to see more of these Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. This is size 10. These are going for 50 bucks. These are hella comfy. Yeah, like I said, ton of West Virginia merch. Got some extra huge Superstars. These are what, size 18? And they look used as hell. Dang, did someone do a swap? Is that a swap or is that a return? Yeah, those go for $16. Still too much. More Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. Of course, more of the Trae Youngs. I've seen a bunch of those. Haven't shown you guys. Got some Colts. Pegasus right here going for 40. That's like a size 12 or something. Then Hardens. We've been seeing some random Hardens. This is what, size 13? Size 13 Harden. $40 for these. Okay. I know people have been pretty happy to find those. And then, of course, we can't neglect the women's sneakers. Size 7.5. Another one of these Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. Does have that recycled Zoom-X, which is comfy. $60 for those. That's 7.5 women's. Look at this deal right here. Infinity Run Flyknit, size 5.5 for $25. Holy cow. Got some Jamal Mashburns. Are they called the M3s now? Jamal Mashburns going for $20 in a smaller size. Got some Vans right here for $22. Old Schools right there. Those are cheap. Puma RSX going for $30. Had a few steals in the women's section. Not too crazy though. But I'm grabbing a few of these. These are the brown slides. Size 9, size 9, size 11. So $15 a piece for that. I'm grabbing that shirt right there. Man, this channel's costing me a fortune. This channel's costing me a fortune. Alright, I'm tripping, dude. I don't have room for all those slides. I have a backpack, but I'm gonna find something else to buy. So yeah, I put all the slides back. Just grabbed this t-shirt. Alright, next up, let's go. Alright, this is stop number 3. Cranberry Township Marshalls. This one just opened at 10. Just like last 2 minutes. Let's go. Random mixtures of Abercrombie and Finch here at Marshalls for $10. That's interesting. Then right next to it, they got Kappa brand. That is just hilarious. $30 for that. Nothing in the pants section. Nothing in the shorts section. I don't even see shorts. It says shorts. I don't even see shorts. Extra dry, man. This is like the worst Marshalls I've ever been to. Holy cow. Alright, they do got men's shoes. Let's see what's up here. Do got some 515s. These are pretty dope. Gum bottom. $40 for these bad boys. Got Hirachis going for $60. These some extra huge suedes that are made out of canvas. Why are they called suedes then? But yeah, do got these bad boys. Size 14, $30. Checking out the women's section, and there's just nothing to show you guys. They're the weakest Marshalls I've ever been to. All right, let's go, man. We're moving on. Let's go. Feel like every store was hitting last weekend. This store's been a little more dry. But yeah, watch your kid, lady. All right, let's go see what's up here. Last week we found all kinds of jerseys, all kinds of fire stuff. Almost every spot that I went to this week, haven't had that much luck. New York Giants hoodie. Man, I wish this was a medium. Or dang it. Oh, this is pretty dope. This is a medium right here. I actually need Giants gear for my brother-in-law, actually. Oh yeah, let's go with this. Steelers jacket. This is team apparel. This is $25. I don't know what the original price is, but that's pretty nice, dude. Quality's not like the greatest, but for $25, that's solid. And then DJ Metcalf jersey, triple XL. Yeah, normally what, $130 down to $40. That's your size. That's what's up. Penn State Nike shirt, $15. That's about it. Not as active as last time. Random 7.5 Go Flyes right here going for $40. Not too shabby. And active shorts and no Mitchell and S luck ever for your boy Clue. So I think I've only found like 1 or 2 Mitchell and S. I think I've only bought one Mitchell and S shorts out of all the spots that I've been to. At least I have been able to find like jerseys and stuff. All right, let's check out the sneakers right here. Can I get like 1 pair Ultra Boost? 8 or 8.5? Nah, they'll just give me some Pure Boost right here. That's way too small. Dang it. Got some top 10s right here going for $45. I forgot what basketball shoe this was. The Puma basketball shoe, $30. Are these Mercurial Venoms? I think they are. Got the M for that, I think. $30 for these bad boys. These are usually pretty freaking high end. More of the Pure Boost in different sizes. The upper is definitely different. This does have just as much boost on the midsole or as a midsole. $57 for these Kyries, way too much. Got a ton of these Kyries. Different sizes. Also got these Phantom React Flyknits going for $50. These are the Epic React Flyknits, pretty much with no laces. Got some Fly Traps right here. Fly Traps going for $55. Way too high. More up tempos. I've been waiting for these. This is a grade school though. This is a grade school size 7, $45. Can't wait to see more of these. And we got some Jordans, Jumpman Pros. These mother lovers are huge. They're going for 70 bucks. These are size 13, so actually not too bad. Not too big, that is, not too big. What team is that? Is that the Vikings? Is that the Vikings off-court slides? Yep, $20. Burlington has those for 15. They're selling them for 20 here. Got the Patriots, also $20, a size 12. Super quick check in the women's section. Kind of bare, dude. Kind of bare. Most of them not even sneakers. They're just all dress shoes and stuff. All right, let me get in line for this. Is this in good condition, I think? I think that's just a cheapo sweatshirt. I think that's why you can see all the fibers and stuff out. Yeah, it's just a cheapo one, whatever. It's all good. I'm grabbing it anyways. All right, we got time for a few more stops. Let's go, let's go. I think this is the one with all the hats, man. Let's go find out. See, I did come here and I was still so confused. They had a bunch of Steelers hats here and they're all gone. God dang it, I've screwed up. Dang it. Man, I definitely screwed up. Brooklyn, New York hat right here, Mitchell and S. I don't know the price on these though. Got this one right here. Chiefs New Era hat. These are what? $13. It's a snapback? Oh, it's a flex fit or something. Usually has a size on it though. Oh, it's a large, extra large. That's what it is. Okay. Pittsburgh Pirates hat. That's an 8 though. Oh man, all their hats are gone. I had a ton of Pittsburgh Steelers hats. And I'm gonna be honest, I lost track of which one. I even backtracked and came to this one. But I forgot where it was. Damn, I screwed up. Oh well, I got that full hoodie. All right, I'm checking out the fleece section, which I haven't really checked out too much, to be really honest. But NFL team apparel, Niners, right here. I think this is an XL. That's too big. 20 bucks. Not too big fan of the coloring. I'm just not. And look at this, Commanders. This is a starter's Commander. This is a double XL though. That's usually the problem with this type of merch. Original price tag, 15 bucks though. Look at that for a starter hoodie. That's fire. We got Steelers hoodies. These are all double, triple XL, so that's the only problem. Look at this. Like, this is fire. Mostly NFL team apparel merch, but still fire. Let's go check out the large right here. This is team apparel right here. $17. Super thin, not great quality. Eagles pullover, team apparel though. Normally $80 supposedly. Now it's down to $17. Blue Jays right here. St. Louis Blues right here, $30. Well, the Niners one, this is a large, but like I said, I'm just not feeling that color. Got them in medium too. Salute to Service, West Virginia. Polo, $68. That's just a random number. Is that Canadian or something? That's $13. Saw this jacket just sitting here. This NFL team apparel, not the nicest, but look at this, $30. This is pretty fire. It does have the Super Bowl dubs right there on the arms. Pretty freaking fire. On the back it does say Super Bowl champs on it. Color and stuff just fire. This is an XL, kind of big for my boy, but I think it'll work because it even I even tried it on and it fit. So all right, we're checking out sneakers here, and I'm curious to see if the Ultra Boost are still what, 50 bucks or something. Do got a few sizes of these Grant Hill 2s. This is one of the best colorways. I think this is one of the dopest colorways. Material, the suede on it is A1. Those are fire. Nick's colorway, that's a size 7. These are what, 35? 35. Tentacumpo's, anything with Nike, they've been jacking up the prices. $40 for those. Size 8.5 right here for the Grant Hill 2s. And then a ton of different teams for the off-court slides. I think this is the spot that only had the bigger brown sizes though. Like I said, I don't want to take them just because I don't have room for all that stuff. They do have all kinds of teams right here. You know, they got the Seahawks, and these are 15 here as opposed to 20 at Ross. These KD tray, they 8s or 9s, I don't know. But yeah, 50 bucks for those, man. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, polka dots and all kinds of wacky coloring. 50 bucks for those. ATL hat right here, snapback, $13. Dang it, I wish I could find those Pittsburgh hats. Got some Pegasus 10.5 going for 50. Looks like all the big sizes for those Grant Hills are being bought up. So you got bigger Pegasus right there. Pegasus in all black, 11.5 going for 50 as well. And got some Infinity Run Flyknits. These are going for 60 bucks. These are 11.5. Yeah, man, I think they're like, I think the Nikes are like a little more than they should be. And Soldier 14s, omnipresent at the outlets. They're probably going to be here as well. Those are going for 60 bucks. Section for the ladies. I think shoes are here somewhere. It's a bunch of stuff. Pegasus Turbos, 9.5 women's. Size 8 men's, going for 60 bucks. Got a size 12 here as well, which is 10.5 my size. 60 too much though. And things are in nice order, but not really seeing too much heat. A ton of Fila, Nautica, that type of stuff. I think I got time for one more store. But yeah, I did put these back on feet. Lakers colorway of the Infinity Run Flyknit 3s that I grabbed for hella cheap. And I did grab those because I was like, hey, I'm gonna wear a Shaq jersey. And did go with the classic OG look. All right, man, I think I got time for one more star. My boy's not calling me back. I think he's working. I need to hit that full up, man. All right, last stop in Pittsburgh. Got a Ross right next to the airport. This is the location where I came up on a ton of heat. The first time I was here. We're gonna do a really quick browse. Super quick browse because I gotta be at the airport in 20 minutes. Do you got Cowboys? I don't know what brand that is. Darius Rucker? What the hell? Isn't that the Rockstar? But yeah, NFL team apparel. Pretty nice fleece, $20 for that. That's like a double XL. Ooh, this one's even nicer. $20 for this one. This is team apparel XL for this one. Cowboys hoodie. Team apparel XL. A little too big. But yeah, 20 bucks. All right, this place was all about the sneakers. Let's go see if we can have that same luck. Found at least 6-7 pairs of Ultra Boost first time I came here. Do got the Pegasus, Steelers Pegasus going for 40. Do got the Pure Boost, we've seen plenty of those. These Nikes right here, these the Gatos? Oh, the Tiempos. Indoor soccer shoes go for 25, super small. More of these bad boys. There are more of Tempos. That is great to see. This is a grade school though. Should be a grade school size 4.5. Can't wait to start buying my Air More Tempos here. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, 6.5, going for 50 bucks. Pro models, this was here a week and a half ago, last time I came. Damn, no Ultra Boost, how sad. What the hell are these? Montrail, what the hell? But yeah, no Ultra Boost. We got some Hyper Burst Skechers right there. Dang it. They do have soccer balls if your kiddos need soccer balls. I don't think they're really good name brand though. They got some Puma ones and stuff. Nike basketballs go for 13. Ooh, this is the really good football. Look at this. $110 down to $13. 110 to 13. This is like their super high-end football. Damn, I can't believe, man. I'm gonna have to look at Ross near my neighborhood to see if they got any because I don't want to take this. And I also don't want to stand in line, dang it. All right, I was gonna check the women's, but I gotta go to the airport, guys. All right, that's about it, man. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and then make sure you guys go click on one of these videos. I got tons of videos for y'all. We're out, dude. Done with Pittsburgh.